How to cancel Costco membership online. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to cancel your Costco membership online. So for that case, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, go to your official Costco website, that is www.costco.com, and then log in into your Costco account using your username and then password. Once logged in, navigate to the membership section of the website. This may be located under your account settings or a dedicated membership area. Now you can go and look for an option related to canceling or ending your Costco membership. There may be specific link or button for membership cancellation, and you can just go and follow the instruction. The Costco website should provide a clear instructions on how to cancel your membership online. This may involve filling out a cancellation form, providing a reason for cancellation, and confirming your decision. After completing the cancellation process, you can review your information to ensure it's accurate, then submit your cancellation request. Once your cancellation request is submitted, you should receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your Costco membership has been cancelled. So that is how you can cancel your Costco membership. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.